Bold as well as the beautiful spoilers state Vinny Pedestrian returns in recall setting finishing all conjecture concerning his cause of death on the CBS soap. Today, B&B followers obtain the actual inside story on why he stumbled right into the course of Liam Spencer and also Bill Spencer. No, Vinny will not instantly be reanimated. This time around he will not show up in ghostkind just seen by Liam Spencer. It shows up B&B is prepared to make use of Vinny Walker in recalls. B&B connections up all the loosened ends in that eliminated Vinny situation. These peaks of the past need to leave no question concerning what occurred. These glances at the previous program why the messages he sent out Thomas Forrester need to remove Liam and also his dad's name in a murder probe. That's just if Thomas can obtain the proof concerning Vinny to Lieutenant Bradley Baker. Due to the fact that somebody does not desire the reality to find out on Bold and also the Beautiful. It seems like Vinny's recalls accompany the never-before-seen SMS message to Thomas. Bold as well as the Beautiful spoilers suggest when Thomas takes the enclose of his phone, these hidden SMS message flooding in. He initially obstructed all interactions with Vinny Walker after he damaged the DNA laboratory examinations. Obviously, prior to Vinny passed away, he got out to his ideal good friend to no obtain. Bold as well as the Beautiful spoilers state Thomas runs in the incorrect instructions with the idea of sharing this vital information. No, the old Thomas does not return bent on concealing them. Rather, he has the most effective intents, yet heads to the incorrect position on B&B. The Forrester boy quickly goes to Justin Barber with this brand new proof. Because he's Liam and also Bill's attorney, Thomas numbers he can utilize it to obtain them free from the criminal costs. Keep in mind, the papa and also child face costs of deliberately running over Vinny Walker. This comes down to conscious murder. And also, various other criminal act upon Bold and also the Beautiful. Thomas might close it down by revealing the messages from Vinny. Police officers see an objective for Liam intending to eliminate as well as strike Vinny Walker. Due to the fact that Vinny messed up the Spencer child's life with a DNA button, that's what the messages state obviously provides proof that a person else was gunning for the laboratory technology. Bold as well as the Beautiful spoilers claim Thomas makes a beeline for Justin with the brand new proof. He has high hopes of bringing Liam back house to his partner and also children. Rather of the legal representative inviting him, he strikes and also cages him. If Vinny Walker's brand new scenes roll throughout the display as Thomas reviews his messages, it seems as. In this manner, followers can imagine specifically what took place that evening. Every person in the Bold as well as the Beautiful target market will ultimately see simply exactly how Vinny Walker's life finished. From what the B&B spoilers suggest, this is the last time Vinny shows up on the soap. Much more significantly, the info that will certainly come out of those lookbacks and also messages repaint the genuine photo. There are still several inquiries these clips can respond to. Beginning with why Vinny Walker got on foot on a dark roadway near the Logan estate. Why was he in dark garments along a gusty roadway? And also the strangest part of this Bold and also the Beautiful story is why, of all the vehicles in LA, did Vinny stroll before Dollar Bill's automobile with his kid driving? Bold and also the Beautiful spoilers do not supply any kind of tips of what to anticipate from Vinny's last messages. They do state they will certainly vindicate Liam of murder fees. Followers locate out just how Vinny passed away. The most convenient situation that makes one of the most feeling is an unfortunate concept. Have a look at Vinny Pedestrian's life at the time he passed away. He was out on bond and also encountering severe costs of laboratory examination meddling. Undeniably, he needed to shed that laboratory task after what he was captured doing. It's secure to claim he obtained terminated. From what Thomas stated in the past, Vinny actually had no one near him yet Thomas. When Thomas quit all interaction with him, as well as after that he shed his ideal pal. His future possibly looked helpless to him. It's feasible Vinny musted likely to the Logan estate that evening to see Thomas, that had actually been remaining there for some time. Perhaps Vinny Pedestrian hid to see if his chum existed that evening. Vinny might have examined both the big house and also Hope's cabin, considering that the Forrester developer is usually there. This would certainly represent the dark clothing he put on. Vinny recognized his bestie really did not desire him in his life, so possibly he really felt the only means to speak with him was to assail him as he went or came from the Logan building. When he could not discover him, possibly Vinny was so sorrowful that he actioned in front of the initial auto that drove by. This quite possibly could be what Vinny Pedestrian's last missive was, a self-destruction note. Certain, it's a coincidence that the initial car that occurred would certainly be a Spencer car's. It's viable. Certainly, Vinny Pedestrian's fatality can match a sophisticated system that potentially connects right into Justin's business requisition. Or this could be a medicine bargain failed. Occasionally the most basic description fits the finest. Thomas might close it down by revealing the messages from Vinny. It appears as if Vinny Pedestrian's brand new scenes roll throughout the display as Thomas reviews his messages. Everybody in the bold as well as the beautiful target market will lastly see simply exactly how Vinny Pedestrian's life finished. From what Thomas stated in the past, Vinny truly had no one close to him. However, it's feasible Vinny went to the Logan estate that evening to see Thomas, that had actually been remaining there for some time.